Everybody starts with left foot. We're gonna say left, right, brush right. Now the guy is gonna go behind the girl, right, brush left, as he turns her with her left hand. So he's gonna go 1, 2, 3, brush. Okay? Now that's one hand. Now he's gonna go back to the left, 1, 2, 3, brush. Both hands go over. 1, 2, 3, brush. Okay? Now he's gonna pull with his left, which is gonna be her left, and let go. And you're both gonna turn. Man's gonna go this way, woman's going this way. So we're gonna turn. 1, 2, 3, kick. You have to put your hands here because you're gonna push her to lead her to go back. We're just gonna reverse it now. And we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, kick. Now 3 steps. Turn the girl. 1, 2, 3, kick, step, kick, back, 2, 3, kick, step, kick.